Hi there, once again welcome back to my channel. Consider subscribing if today is your first time and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming video tutorials. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to convert your Facebook profile to a Facebook page. Okay, there are several reasons why you may want to convert your Facebook profile to a page. One of those reasons is that you can monetize your Facebook page and join the Facebook monetization program and get paid by Facebook. Okay, I'll talk more about Facebook payment and the requirements in another video, but in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to convert your profile to a Facebook page with these simple tricks. Okay, this is big strategy, so just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So just click on your account at the far right corner. Just click on the three bars at the far right corner, open that, and then make sure the account you want to convert is selected. Okay, and then scroll down to settings and privacy. Just open that, and the next step you need to do is to click on settings. So click on settings, and there are several information. All you need to do is to click on personal information. Just click on that, and when you click on personal information, it's going to give you your personal information. Just go ahead and click on the name as if you want to edit your name. So just click on that. So this will open, and you can see there are some details below your name option where you can edit that. They said, please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, and all that. All we want to do is to click on learn more. Just click on learn more, and then it will take you to the Facebook Help Center page. Okay, there are several scenario description to how to change your Facebook name, and that is not our focus. Our focus is how to convert this to what? A Facebook page. Okay, because we can get monetized when we have a Facebook page, but we can't do that with our profile. Okay, so when you scroll down, come down to where you have, if your name follows our standard and you still have trouble changing it, just find out why. So let's click on find out why, and it's going to bring you to another detail page, how to change your name. It's going to give you those steps, but just scroll down all the way to the last part, and it's going to say, if you are still having trouble with changing your name, you can fill in this form to request a name change and confirm your name. Okay, so let's click on fill in this form. So just click on that, and it's going to give you this page where we are supposed to fill a form, but the focus is not to change our name, but actually convert our page onto a Facebook page. So scroll down all the way down here, and you can see there's a short note below this write-up. It says, note that timelines are for personal use only. If you are trying to change your account name in order to represent a business organization or to represent yourself as a public figure, you should create a page or convert this account to a page. So this is our focus area. I'll show you in another video how to create a standard Facebook page. So subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so anytime I release that video you'll get notes of that. So in this case we want to use the last option, convert this account to a page. So there's a profile page, and we actually want to convert it to what? A page. So just click on that, and it's going to bring you to this Facebook Help Center. This is actually what is going to show you at the moment. This option works up to 2020, somewhere 2020, but it may look like it's going to be an update. Facebook have removed this temporal. Okay, and it's basically, or it's possible this is going to be updated. So it's going to take you to a page instead of taking you to the step to follow to convert this. So what we need to do is that we'll move down here, and then we'll say, was this helpful? Basically this is not helpful because we want to go ahead and convert this onto what? A Facebook page. So what we need to do is that you have to click on no, because this actually didn't help us, and then go to the solution does not work. So let's click on the second option, and it's going to give us option to contact Facebook for that. So we need to copy your Facebook profile, which I've done. I'll show you how to copy your Facebook profile after doing this. So the option over here, let's tell Facebook this really doesn't work. So I've copied my profile already. I have it here. So I'm going to copy my profile. So I've copied that, just paste it here, and then tell Facebook this actually didn't work, for them to fix, which I believe they are working on. So you need to actually like this video, so when there's any updates I will let you know. I'll just make update to this video and show you how to go about it. So I copied this, and all I need to do is to actually paste this. So I'll paste this. You can see I've pasted it, saying adding my Facebook I've added my Facebook profile. That's my Facebook profile. I've added the profile link, and then I've actually provided a short information to Facebook saying the reason. So your Facebook link, your profile link, and then add this short information. Hello Facebook team, I want to convert my Facebook profile to a Facebook, but this is not working, please fix it, which I believe is a short issue that will update very soon, and you can still go ahead and then do that. I've done that before, and you can use the same process. So you can see it's actually give us a step to convert this, but there's a small glitches, and then I believe Facebook will work on that. So subscribe and wait for the update on that. So you just submit this, which I don't want to convert this, so I'm not going to submit it. So try and do that and subscribe for update on that. So in order to copy your Facebook profile, let me just go back to my account. If you want to copy your Facebook profile, all you need to do is to click on your profile and just click on these three dots, and you can see you have your profile link, which you can go ahead and then copy. Okay, so just go ahead and try that, and then use the same procedure and click on the subscribe button, and then wait for alerts on this. Thank you so much. Remember to wait for my complete video on how to create a comprehensive Facebook page, and also the new Facebook monetization requirement. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial. Till I come your way again, bye bye.